Hey there! Thank you so much for tuning into Able Artswork virtual learning channel. My name is Ariel and today I'm going to be showing you how to propagate a carrot. We're going to be learning how to grow a carrot from the butt end of just a regular raw carrot, how you can grow your own. All you need to grow your own carrot is the top of an old carrot, a small glass jar, some water, a larger jar, and some dirt, which is not here in this shot, but I have dirt right next to me. To get your carrot started, what you need is your small jar and your carrot. When you get your carrot, you want to fill it up so that about up to here is filled with water. So pour a little bit of water in your jar, stick your carrot inside, and then stick it in the sun, like so. After a few days, your carrot should look like this. Once your carrot has started to sprout on top, you can grab your larger jar, open it up, put your small one in there. You might want to grab something to protect your bottom. I'm using some burlap. This is just an old pasta jar. And then you want to get some dirt and you want to shovel it in. As you can see, it can get a little messy, so make sure that you're either doing this outside or you protect your work area. Then you're going to get your carrot top. You're going to dig a little hole with your finger, and then you're going to stick them inside. Going to move the dirt around a little bit. And then boom, you can get some more dirt. Cover it up a little bit, be very careful. Move the leaves out of the way. And you've replanted a carrot. Now, all you have to do is put it on your windowsill and let it grow.